Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Princeton local and long distance movers near me. We provide long distance moving services. Distance is not a problem when we handle your move. All your items are safe with us throughout the entire moving process. Our movers are extra careful with your belongings. Our trucks also secure them. Our drivers are cautious. They follow every highway rule and regulation. Also, we work closely with authorities in charge of long-distance moves, both state and federal authorities. We have valid licenses to move belongings over long distances. We get excellent results at the end of the move. You get your items promptly and all of them in perfect condition. Do you wish to make a local move? We are also the best option. One great thing about us is that our hourly rates are the cheapest. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. We are also the best option. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Princeton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.